So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gaming with Vinesh. So as I just said in the last video, I'll be in front of you guys with the iron ore. I am here with the iron ore. See, this is the iron ore that we were searching for in our last episode, and I found it. So in order to get it, you have to smelt it in iron ingots, which I'll show you in a further a bit. Okay, so it was a very small bean which had only 5 iron ore. But however, we have to work with what we have, and also in between episodes, I made a lot of advancements which I will show you in the next episode on how to build a house and how to raise the animals for your food, etc. So now what I am making now is a furnace. Yes, that's right. It's a furnace which you need 8 cobblestone. So in order to craft it, you need a crafting table, and we have a crafting table. And also I bought some spare food just in case my hunger bar goes down. And here you go. The crafting table is down. Now as you can see the furnace, it is surrounded by cobblestone. Yeah, it is surrounded by 8 cobblestone, which you need to mine. And here is your furnace. So you have to keep the iron ore on the top, and the oak planks are here coal. Anything would work. And also I made some torches which are very easy to make. Let me take some coal and show you how to make this. Yeah. It's hard. Okay, so now let me go to my inventory and actually make torches. See, 3 coal on the top and 3 sticks on the bottom, or you can keep 1 coal on the top or 1 stick on the bottom. So they give you 4 torches, which is a bit too much, but okay. So here is the iron that we were searching for, and actually as you can see the iron here is being smelted down. Okay, good. So now what our goal of our last video, as you can see, is to make a pickaxe. Yeah, so a pickaxe and a sword. So these two are very good. So this is needed, and actually let me. Okay, so I'm going. So with the help of this pickaxe, we can mine diamonds. But however, you have to reach bedrock in order to mine diamonds. And actually, let me show you what I have created when you guys were in between your videos. Okay, let me find my layout. Supposed to be like here, right here, and actually like here is some coal, spare coal, which we need to which is also useful, and I messed up. Wow. Okay, so let me dig myself out. Is just a stone pickaxe. Uh, yeah. Okay. No, this is not our way out. Okay, so I place the torches in the way out so that I can not get lost. Hmm. Let me just get up here. So this mine. is next to my house, and it's night time, and you guys know that the dangers of night time. So let me go to sleep from a bed which I made from wool. Okay. So let me go to my inventory. Let me take like this. Mm, yeah. So let me cover the hole in my roof that I made it just so that I could access it. And now let me go straight here. Yeah, let me cover it up. So this is the place where that I made just for now. So now I'm going to place my my iron axe and iron sword and my iron pickaxe. And actually, let me place my furnace if I can access it. Yep, near my crafting bench. Okay, awkward. So now and this is my bed which I made from three wool and three oak planks. So the use of a bed is, as you can see, it's daytime when I slept it's just like a bed. And actually, let me show you how to make a bed. Yep, from here. As you can see, it is takes three white wool and three oak planks. So three white wool on the top and three oak planks on the bottom to make it. And I'll do one video on how to make a house and bed and everything. But just for now, it's a temporary. And guys, I started my farm with fences which I will show you in the later videos, but not now. Since we are concentrating, I'll make separate videos on this. So the point of this game is to make farm to get food. As I said now, I'll also make some videos on how to beat the boss. So in Minecraft, let me find the gate which is like here. No. Oh, you can might have gotten out, but it's okay. Come on, okay, come on. No. Yep, every single. So these animals are not that much useful. I'll take it. So actually, I may or may not have made my animals use just to show you guys. But anyway, so this is the point of. So I made this all in between episodes, and also I have explored a little bit, and as you can see, I found that ravine, and as you can see, these are the zombies. So these are a special type of zombies known as undead assassins. So they live only in water. So let's try to see. So they are found in oceans, which you have to go near the coast to find them. Let me place my block down. And that's all. So as I have showed everything that I have done. So now we are going to go in a search. So the today's goal of this video is to get at least an iron chest plate. So which we had to find. So we are going to go back down the ravine, the hole that we found, and we are going to go in search of more and more iron. So actually, I came to the surface just to show you guys. So what all I had made, and I'll do a separate video on building houses and pen skates and everything. So stay tuned, hit the bell icon, subscribe button.